Hi and welcome to Lesson 5 of WooCommerce Deposits, Managing Orders with Deposits and Payment Plans. In this video, I will show you how to manage orders with deposit and payment plans in the WooCommerce Deposit plugin. Let's get started. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Orders. When a customer places an order with a deposit or a payment plan, here's what happens. The initial payment is marked as pending deposit. Future payments are scheduled based on the payment plan. Orders transition to completed once all payments are done. Now, let's see how to manage these orders. Find an order with a deposit or a payment plan and click on it. Here, you will see the initial payment status as pending deposit. You can view the order details, including the deposit amount and future payments. Click on the View Scheduled Payments button. This creates a new order for the customer to pay the remaining amount. You can send this invoice to the customer directly. Click on the Scheduled Order to view the details. If a customer pays offline, you can mark it manually. Click on Scheduled Payment and mark it as completed. Now, click on the Update button to update the order. And our order is successfully updated. And that's it. In this video, you have learned how to manage orders with deposit and payment plans. This helps you track payments and keep everything organized. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.